What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Bitget app with debit card. So, a disclaimer here, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. So this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So let's get started. So how to exactly buy crypto here on the Bitget app? So this one is actually pretty easy. So first is you want to open up the Bitget app here, and by the way, make sure that you're using the updated version of the app. So go and open up Google Play Store, search for Bitget, and basically update the app. But once you've done that, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the assets option at the bottom right of your screen, and you want to go and just click on the option that says deposit here on your screen. Now from here, there are multiple ways on buying crypto on the Bitget app. So one of those is through credit or debit card. Since we want to use our debit card, let's go and choose the credit or debit card option. Now from here, it's going to basically show you a short video here if you want to view that, but let's go and click on close here. But let's just go ahead and just provide all necessary details. So in this case, you want to go and just provide the amount that you want to buy here. So let's just say we want to buy like 25 Australian dollars of the following crypto. Now, by the way, if you want to switch out a different crypto or buy a different crypto, go ahead and click on the buy option here that you see just above the buy button and just choose the crypto that you want to buy here. But in this case, you just need to click on the buy ETH option here, and it's going to ask you to verify your account here. So you need to verify your phone number, email address. So you can go ahead and click on the verify button here that you see here. And once you've done that, you just need to go ahead and just complete the verification process here. But if you're speaking here, once you've done that, you just need to choose the provider where you want to buy your crypto and also confirm a few things and add your payment details, which is in this case going to be your debit card. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.